In the realm of business productivity, a revolution is brewing. The catalyst? Microsoft 365 Copilot. This artificial intelligence assistant is not just a feature, but a game changer, poised to redefine the way businesses operate, making them more efficient, more effective, and more profitable. Imagine having an assistant that is always on, always ready, and always equipped to handle a myriad of tasks. That's what Microsoft 365 Copilot brings to the table. This AI-powered tool integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 applications and services, harnessing the power of OpenAI's sophisticated language models and Microsoft Graph to transform user text input into rich content across multiple platforms. Now let's delve into the nuts and bolts of how to use this tool. Step 1. To start, you'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up online. Once you're in, the Copilot feature is an added service, priced at $30 per user per month. Step 2. Now let's put Copilot to work. In Microsoft Word, for example, you can use Copilot to generate and edit text. Just input your text and Copilot will take it from there, offering suggestions and improvements to enhance your document. Step 3. But Copilot isn't just for Word. In Excel, it can assist with data analysis. Just enter your data and Copilot will analyze it, offering insights that can help drive business decisions. Step 4. Need a PowerPoint presentation? Copilot can create it, provide the topic and key points, and Copilot will generate a polished, professional presentation. Step 5. Even in Outlook, Copilot is there to help. It can draft emails, saving you time and ensuring your communication is clear, concise, and effective. Step 6. For those who use Teams for meetings, Copilot is an invaluable assistant. It can provide real-time assistance during meetings, pulling information from various Microsoft 365 apps to keep the conversation flowing and the meeting productive. Now, it's worth noting that as with any AI, there are concerns about potential biases and inaccuracies. But rest assured, Microsoft is committed to addressing these responsibly, ensuring that Copilot is a reliable and trustworthy tool. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to using Microsoft 365 Copilot, the tool that promises to revolutionize business productivity. It's time to take the leap and harness the power of AI. Try Microsoft 365 Copilot and witness the transformative impact it can have on your business productivity. The future of business is here, and it's powered by AI. Will you be a part of it?